The next question is, in rabbit, the digestion of cellulose takes place in option A, the colon, option B, the ileum, option C, cecum, and option D, rectum. The correct answer here is option C, which is the cecum. Digestion of cellulose in rabbit takes place in cecum, and cellulose of plant material in cecum is broken down by bacterial actions. So the correct answer is option C. The next question is, if the dental formula of rabbit is 2033/1023, what does it show? Option A, total number of teeth in rabbit is 15. Option B, number of total incisors in rabbit is 3. Option C, diastema is present between incisors and premolars. And option D, in the formula 2033 is for adult and 1023 is for young ones. So the correct answer is option C. The dental formula of rabbit is 2033/1023 is equal to 8 by 6 into 2 is equal to 28. So 28 teeth occur in the rabbit in all. Canines are absent and diastema is present between the incisor and the premolars, which is a property of the teeth of the rabbit. So the answer is option C. The next question is, water is largely absorbed in option A, stomach, option B, esophagus, option C, small intestine, and option D, colon, which is a part of the large intestine. It is a well-known fact that most of the absorption of water takes place in the large intestine to give rise to slightly thicker feces. So this is the correct option, which is option D. The next question is, in pancreas, pancreatic juice and hormones are secreted by option A, same cells, option B, different cells, option C, same cells are at different types, and option D, none of these. Pancreas are a mixed gland, that is exocrine and endocrine. The exocrine part is known to release enzyme and endocrine part releases hormones. So pancreatic juice and hormones are secreted by different cells. The next question is, Glissen's capsule is found in option A, pancreas, option B, liver, option C, the gallbladder, and option D, the intestine. The correct answer to this question is the liver, because presence of Glissen's capsule is a characteristic feature of the mammalian liver. The Glissen's capsule is a thin layer of dense connective tissue. Each lobe is made up of a number of lobules in the liver, which are separated from each other by the Glissen's capsule. So the correct answer is the liver. The next question is, taline is an enzyme of option A, salivary juice, option B, pancreatic juice, option C, intestinal juice, and option D, none of these. The correct answer to this question is taline being a salivary juice which is secreted by the salivary glands. The next question is, milk protein is acted upon by a gastric enzyme. Which one of the following enzyme carries on the initial step in the digestion of milk in humans? Option A, casein, option B, renin, option C, pepsin, and option D, casinogen. The answer to this question is option B, which is renin, which is known specifically for the digestion of milk. Next question is, the hormone secretin stimulates secretion of option A, the pancreatic juice, option B, the bile juice, option C, salivary juice, and option D, gastric juice. The correct answer to this question is option A, which is the secretin hormone is secreted by the pancreatic juice produced by the duodenal mucosa. So the correct answer is option A, which is pancreatic juice, whose secretion is stimulated by the presence of hormone secretin. Our next question is, vitamin D is synthesized by one of the following with the help of sunlight. Options being option A, skin, option B, the gallbladder, option C, the liver, and option D, the pancreas. Steenhoek described that vitamin D is synthesized in the presence of UV rays of sunlight in the skin. So the answer is option A, and this was discovered by Steenhoek. The next question is, which of the following vitamins is water soluble as well as an antioxidant? Option A is vitamin B1, option B is vitamin A, option C is vitamin D, and option D is vitamin C. The correct answer to this question is option D. Option B1, which is thiamine, option B, which is vitamin A, known as retinol, and option D are not the correct answers. Vitamin C, which is commonly found in citric fruits, is water soluble as well as an antioxidant. Question is, infertility is believed to be due to the lack of vitamin. Option A, vitamin A, option B, vitamin B, option C, vitamin C, and option D, vitamin E. Vitamin E maintains the normal functioning of reproductive organs, and hence it is called a fertility vitamin. Sterility or impotency or infertility and muscular atrophy is common due to deficiency or lack of vitamin E, so the option D is the correct answer. Rickets in children and osteomalacia in adults is caused by the deficiency of option A, vitamin A, option B, vitamin B, option C, vitamin C, and option D, vitamin D, which is also known as calciferol. Vitamin D is also known as calciferol because its contents include calcium, which is important for the strengthening of bones and teeth, as a result of which the deficiency of vitamin D results to osteomalacia, which is a hollow bone disease in adults, and rickets in children. An average man needs approximately option A 2900 kilocalories energy per day, option B 500 kilocalories energy per day, option C 1000 kilocalories energy per day, and option D 2000 kilocalories energy per day. The correct answer to this question is option A, because approximately 3000 kilocalories of energy is needed by a healthy average man per day, while a child of about 15 years needs 2500 kilocalories of energy per day, and an infant in the year range of 4 to 6 is believed to need 1500 kilocalories of energy per day. However, the average man needs 2900 kilocalories of energy per day. The next question is, an average man needs approximately option A 1/5 of protein, 3/5 of fat, and 1/5 of carbohydrates in its diet. Option B says 3/5 of protein, 1/5 of fat, and 1/5 of carbohydrates in diet. Option C 1/5 protein, 1/5 fat, and 3/5 carbohydrate. And option D says half protein, 1/4 fat, and 3/5 carbohydrate. The correct answer to this question is option D, which is 50% protein, 25% fat, and 60% of carbohydrate. Which of the following vitamins can be synthesized by the bacteria inside the gut? Option A says B1, vitamin B1, option B, vitamin A, option C, vitamin D, and option D, vitamin K. The correct answer to this question is option B1, which is also known as thiamine, and it is synthesized by bacteria inside the gut. Vitamin D is obtained from sunlight, while vitamin K and E needs to be taken from food. Certain vitamin B act as option A enzymes, option B coenzymes, option C digestive enzymes, and option D hormones. The answer to this question is coenzymes, which are enzymes which assist or work with the enzymes for the proper functioning. Which of the following is a reducing sugar? Option A sucrose, option B galactose, option C gluconic acid, and option D beta methyl galactoside. The correct answer to this question is option B, which is galactose, which when combined with glucose results in the formation of lactose. It is also known to have reducing properties, and thus is called a reducing sugar. Next question is, saliva is secreted from option A submaxillary and sublingual glands, option B gastric gland, option C pancreas, and option D the gallbladder. The correct answer of this question is option A, because submaxillary and sublingual glands are known to secrete saliva, which participates in the digestion of starch. The next question is, which one of the following is the matching set of gland and its secretion? Option A, the pituitary gland, thyroxine. Option B, the salivary gland, and amylase. Option C, the adrenal cortex and vasopressin. And option D, islets of Langerhans and secretin. Here the correct pair is salivary gland because it is known to secrete amylase. The next question is, which one of the following is the correct matching of the site of action of the given substrate, the enzyme acting upon it, and the end product? Option A, small intestine, proteins, and pepsin amino acids. Option B, stomach, fats, lipase, micelles. Option C, the duodenum, triglycerides, trypsin monoglycerides. And option D, small intestine, starch and amylase disaccharide or maltose. The correct answer to this question is option D, because starch is the substrate which is acted upon by the enzyme amylase and the end product is disaccharide, which is maltose.